Open the valve of the helium cylinder, ensuring the high-pressure gauge is more than 3 MPa. Switch auxiliary valve. Adjust output pressure to around 0.4 MPa. Turn on gas chromatograph. Turn on mass spectrometer. Click Connect on the file. Protected in the lower left corner indicates the software is successfully connected to the instrument but still under protection. Double-click the GC Mass Vacuum System monitor panel icon. Select Auto. Click Auto Start. The instrument will start pump down automatically. Contact tuning. Open Tool file. Choose Air H2O mode. Click Start. If the first peak is larger than the second one and larger than the third one, then it indicates the instrument passes seal check without significant gas leak. Choose PFTBA mode. Select Tool valve. Click Set Parameters. Click Start. Data acquisition starts when the vacuum degree is less than 8.0 E to 0.005 MBAR. Adjust ion source parameters to optimize the intensity and MZ of each peak. Click RF parameters. Configure the offset value of delta M and delta R to make the resolution of all peaks the same. Mass axial calibration. Choose Calibration tab. We can add or remove the number of peaks to be calibrated. We can also enter the standard value of peak. Calibrate the mass axial of each peak. After calibration, click Save Tuning File in the Tool drop-down list. Set Method. Click GC on the configuration to switch to GC settings. Click Retrieve All to download all the set values from the GC to PC. We can modify parameters. Click Save All to upload all the set values from PC to GC. Click Math on configuration to switch to math settings. Configure EI temp, which means ion source temperature, and AUX temp, which means auxiliary temperature, and detector, which means detector high voltage. Input to file. Configure resolution cutting time, threshold. Configure elapsed time. Configure scan mode. Begin AMU and end AMU. Click Sequence on Configuration to switch to Sequence Acquisition. Enter the file name. Select the file directory. After setting sequence, click Start. A syringe is used to extract 1 microliter of sample. Inject the sample into GC through the injection port and then pull out the syringe. Press Start button on GC control to start data acquisition. Start to acquire data. Use arrows in the Adjust and Contrast Spectral Curves window to adjust the positions of the chromatograms. Double-click the chromatogram at any point, and the corresponding MS spectrum can be displayed. Click Average icon in the toolbar, press and hold the left mouse button. Select a short section of the baseline on the left or right side of the peak. Click Background Subtraction icon in the toolbar, press and hold the left mouse button to select the range of the peak, whose background is to be removed. Press and hold the Shift button. Meanwhile, press and hold the left mouse button, drag a short distance, and the corresponding average spectrum can be viewed below. Click Library Search icon to start library retrieval. Select a section of baseline for the calculation of mean noise level. Put your mouse on the apex to view the SNR of the peak. Click the integration icon on the toolbar. Click Automatic Integration and configure automatic integration parameters. Click OK to check integration results. Click the integration icon on the toolbar. Click Baseline. Click the start point and the end point of chromatogram. The corresponding peak information can be displayed below. Manual integration on certain peak in chromatogram, and click Save Standards table in the Quantitative Analysis. Save Standard table and to other spectrograms. Click Analysis Guide of Current Standards table in the Quantitative Analysis. Add integrated chromatogram to the list below, then click Continue. Enter the concentration of standard sample. The unit is milligram per kilogram. Check whether it is an unknown sample. If yes, check the box. Click Start to perform the analysis. Standard click Quantitative Analysis. Quantitative Analysis and you will find the saved file. Go to GCMass Vacuum System Monitor panel. Select Auto. Click Auto Shut to have the instrument shut down the vacuum system automatically. Disconnect the instrument. Close the software. Close the main valve of the gas cylinder. Switch off MS. Switch off GC. Thank you for watching.